Most people think getting rich requires a miracle, a perfect business idea, or a huge amount of luck. But here's something interesting. More than 90% of millionaires built their wealth through real estate. Today, you will learn how they did it and how you can use the same strategies. Real estate creates wealth because it gives you an asset that grows in value over time. When you buy a property, you own something real and physical that usually becomes more valuable as the years go by. This is why investors love it. It is predictable and it gives both short-term and long-term gains. There are 3 powerful ways that people get rich with real estate. The first is buying and holding. You purchase a property, rent it out, and let the rental income cover your expenses. Over the years, the mortgage gets paid down and the value rises. Many investors retire from this one strategy alone. The second strategy is flipping houses. This means buying a home that needs work, renovating it, and selling it at a higher price. It requires skill and planning, but the profits can be big when you do it correctly. Successful flippers understand design, budgets, and local demand. The third strategy is commercial real estate. This includes offices, malls, hotels, and large rental buildings. The income potential is much higher because the properties are bigger and often leased by businesses. Many of the wealthiest investors in the world use commercial real estate to grow their fortunes rapidly. One of the most powerful principles behind real estate is leverage. You can use bank loans to buy properties with a small amount of your own money. When the property grows in value, the gains are based on the total price, not just your down payment. This is how everyday people build wealth much faster. Of course, every investment has risks. Real estate can be affected by market crashes, higher interest rates, or renovation mistakes. Some investors lose money because they rush, skip research, or take on too much debt. You protect yourself by studying the market, working with professionals, and never investing in something you do not understand. To understand the true power of real estate, look at Warren Buffett. People know him for stocks, but his company owns a massive real estate brokerage network. Buffett believes in buying smart, holding long-term, and focusing on value. His philosophy shows that real estate is not about quick wins. It is about patience and steady decisions that pay off over decades. Real estate is not a magic trick. It is a proven path to wealth when you follow the right steps. Learn the strategies, understand the market, and take action when the time is right. When you buy property wisely, you are not just building income, you are building freedom. I am Anita Mora, and I help buyers and sellers get the deals they truly deserve. If you want to invest with confidence and make smarter real estate decisions, connect with me. Let me guide you through your next successful step in real estate.